Hi, and in this lesson, we'll discuss the first section of the Airbnb JavaScript Style guide, which covers the topic of handling primitives and complex types in JavaScript. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing clean and efficient code. Let's go straight for an example. Here, when we declare const foo equals 1, we set foo as a primitive number. If we assign foo to another variable, like bar, and then change bar, it doesn't affect foo. This is because bar is a separate copy of foo's value. That's how assigning works in primitive types. In JavaScript, there are 7 primitive types. These include string, number, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, and bigint. An important note from the style guide: symbols and bigints cannot be faithfully polyfilled. Therefore, they should not be used in browsers or environments that don't support them natively. What does polyfilling mean? Polyfilling is a method to provide modern functionality on browsers and other environments that do not natively support it. Anyhow, always consider the environment compatibility when using these types. Moving on to complex types. In JavaScript, complex types include objects, arrays, and functions. Unlike primitives, when you access a complex type, you work on a reference to its value, not the value itself. Since complex types are reference-based, changes made through one reference are reflected in all references. Here's an example with complex types. When we have an array named foo and we assign it to another variable named bar, both foo and bar refer to the same array. If we modify bar, foo is also affected because they reference the same object in memory. That wraps up our lesson on primitives and complex types as per the Airbnb JavaScript Style guide. Remember, the way you handle these types can greatly impact the behavior and efficiency of your code. Happy coding!